Hi friends, and welcome or welcome back. You guys, I am so excited just to be on here. I'm just freaking excited to be hanging out with you guys. You know, with my situation, I have been filming way less, but that is all coming to an end very, very soon. I might have one more video here in the hotel before we go home. Our kitchen will not be done, but I will be at home and eventually the kitchen will be done. I actually just uploaded a whole update on that, so I won't really get into it. If you want to know the deets on that, I'll link my update video down below. But I know that some of you are just here because you saw the title and you want to know about the Ipsy limited edition mystery bag. Now, they did roll out with 4 new mystery bags. I picked up 2 of them. So far I have 1 of them in, but before we get into that, just in case you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Jeannie. So glad you're here, and I hope you'll decide to stick around and hang out, because why not? So I do have a giveaway going on right now. Also, it's actually a fabulous giveaway. It's so cool because it involves 5 different channels and there's actually 5 different giveaways. So if you want to know all of the details on that, you could actually not only win the giveaway here on my channel, but also the giveaway on 4 other channels. So lots of opportunities to win really amazing giveaways. I'll link the video that tells all of the details on all of that also in the description box below. It'll say something like enter my giveaway here, and you'll have a chance to check that out. I do believe we have about a week still left on that, so you've got plenty of time when this goes up. Now back to the mystery bags. So they rolled out with 4 new limited edition mystery bags. 3 of them were the $14 bags, so you're going to get mostly deluxe size samples, and then they did have a $30 mystery bag. Now, I don't get every single one that Ipsy comes out with. When I see the $30 ones, though, I like to get those because these are full-size products. You're paying $30. Sometimes you'll get 5, sometimes you'll get 6. It depends on if they're running one of those promotional bags where you get a surprise extra full-size item, and that's what this was. Now, I cannot remember the name of this one, but it was the only $30 one that they just rolled out with. And then I do have the $14 Bring It On mystery bag that is in transit, so I will definitely be on here with that when it arrives as well. But first of all, let's talk about the packaging on this. This is me all the stinking way, you guys. This is so pretty to me. I love the rainbow. I love that it's like pretty pastel. I love the glitter. I am somebody that does love glitter, but I have to just mention, every time I see a bag like this, it does make me think of my friend Cece from Cece's Trowel Size Life here on YouTube. There was this one time there was like a glitter bag or something, and it was the most hilarious thing on her video. She literally put gloves on. Like, she just cannot stand the glitter. But I do have to say, it is kind of like a raw glitter on the outside, but they're like large pieces. And I mean, let me just show you. It's not a glitter that's going to come off and be all over the place, because if that was the case, I would not want that. I don't want glitter all over my house and all over everything, but I do think that it's beautiful. Okay, so enough about the bag. I did pay $30 for this. It is a complete mystery what is in it, but I do know that there's going to be 6 full-size products. So let's jump on in. All right. First up, wow, so this is definitely not something I was expecting to see in the bag. This is a full-size Glam Glow product. I actually did receive this product, I want to say close to a year ago, in a BoxyCharm box, and I actually really, really like it. I like it so much that I purchased some more of them in the BoxyCharm sales after I had tried the one that I got in my box and realized how much I liked it. So I do think I have 1 or 2 at my house in my backup drawer, but this is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. It does almost, it's like a gray color, and it almost reminds me of like a mask, but it's not. It even says on there, do not use as a mask. But I just find this to be one of the most refreshing face washes. I don't use it every day because I am a dry skin type, but I like to use it once a week or so, and it's just so refreshing. It almost has like a minty feel or something like that. I don't quite know how to explain it, but I do love it. I also do have a few still not even opened, so I may just kind of hold on to this one for a giveaway here on the channel. You guys, I quickly have to mention, I picked a 4-pack of these up. I was bringing my kids to like the little splash park, my toddlers to like, you know, one of those little sprinkler park things that, you know, they have. And I picked up a little 4-pack of these. No big deal, but I had never tried it before. So good. If Jolly Rancher had a pina colada Jolly Rancher flavor, that's what this is. It almost tastes just like a piece of candy. And I don't like super, super sweet drinks that much, but there's just something about like the pina colada that it's like sweet, but not overly sweet. And if you like little drinks like this and you happen to see this one at the store, definitely recommend. So, so, so good. It's the Malibu Pina Colada cocktail, I guess. And it is so, so good. So cheers. Okay, moving right along. And next from Malin Goats, it looks like we have a resurfacing facial serum. I don't think I have anything from this brand. And that is what the packaging looks like. Don't mind my nails. I still have remnants of acrylics on that I could not get off and ended up breaking half of my own nail off. I've never had a pair of nails on that I could not get off. I'm gonna have to like soak them in some acetone and get my nails taken care of because they are a hot mess. But anyhow, that is the packaging. Kind of just very basic, but yeah, so it's a resurfacing face serum. I really don't know much about the brand, but I do like trying new skincare and trying new products, so I'll definitely get some use out of it at some point. But with the amount of skincare that we get in our subscriptions with BoxyCharm and Ipsy and everything else, you guys, you know, I probably have like 300 serums. I'm not even gonna lie, it's just insane. I've just got drawers at home of unopened products, so that's probably where this will go for the time being. And when I get around to trying it, I'll definitely let you know. If it's something that you have tried, please let me know down below. I would love to hear your thoughts and comments. Next from Illamasqua, we have the Hydra setting spray. So this is a full-size setting spray. Now when it says Hydra setting spray, it makes me wonder, is it like a hydrating setting spray? If that's the case, I will be really happy. Like again, I am dry, so I like anything hydrating. That is the packaging on that. Kind of nice, sleek, black packaging. Okay, I've never tried it. Yeah, I'm excited for it. Next, you guys, this is so stunning. This is the Orza Beauty Malibu Sunrise Ombre Blusher. Let me just show you. It's in the packaging. It's got like a plastic wrap. Actually, let me just show you guys. I've got to show you because it's so pretty. So they had this, I believe, on the BoxyCharm Mega Drop Shop the last time, and I picked it up. It is stunning. I haven't used it yet because I brought a lot of those products that I bought in the sale back to my house because I'm living in a hotel with kids and a family. I just try to keep the clutter out of here. So I've got like a bunch of bags of stuff that I've bought off the BoxyCharm sales that I even have yet to try at my house waiting for me. But this is one of them. It is so pretty. It is an ombre blush. It does appear to be matte or matte-ish. It does not appear to have like a shimmer to it, but it just looks so pretty. But because I do have a completely unopened one, I'm not going to swatch it or anything like that. And I am going to use it in an upcoming giveaway here on the channel, and it is so pretty. Okay, so next from Lucky Chick, it does look like we have a hydrating lip gloss. This is in the shade Paradise. Let's check her out. Okay, so that is the packaging. It does feel a little, like the top of it feels really light and kind of cheapish if I'm keeping it real, but I do like the shade. It's a very neutral shade, and it does say that it is a hydrating gloss, which I like. So I think I have gotten a lip gloss in the past, either from BoxyCharm or Ipsy from this brand, and I can't really remember what I thought about it. I think it was kind of like a clear lip gloss, and it is definitely at my house somewhere in my lip collection. But let's just take a swatch and check out the color on this. Oh, wow. So it does feel really, really creamy and hydrating. And I was not expecting that much pigment. I mean, I can see it through the bottle, but for some reason I expected it to be a little bit more clear because it says that it's a lip gloss. To me, that kind of coloring is more of like a liquid lipstick. So it's definitely got a ton of pigment, and it felt really, really nice going on. Like it went on super smooth. And I do like the color. So, okay, cool. And then last but not least, we do have an eyeshadow palette. And this is the Shayna B Miami Nights eyeshadow palette. So I did get this palette before out of an Ipsy, I believe, and I actually really like it. Somewhere way down in one of my Ipsy unbagging videos where we did like an unboxing and a try on, when I got this, I did use it in a look and it came out beautiful. I absolutely loved the look that I was able to create, and I thought the formula was really, really nice, and it is a pretty palette. Those shimmers are super pigmented. You do have a pressed glitter in there. You've got a couple mattes, and those burgundy colors are beautiful, and it does come with a mirror as well. But again, since I do have this product in my collection already, I will use this one for a giveaway here on the channel. So definitely keep your eye open for my next giveaway here on the channel. I like to do them pretty often. I love to give back to you guys and share my passion for beauty with you all, and I appreciate you all being here with me and hanging out with me, and especially rooting me on through this house fire situation and just really being my friends. Like I truly appreciate that. So I love to do huge giveaways, and I think it's a lot of fun. I'll be doing one again very soon, and I've got lots of amazing goodies to put in it. So this will kind of go into that pile along with the blush and the Glam Glow. Yeah, so 3 products I will keep and try, and 3 of them will go into a giveaway for you, and I think it's a win. I think that was a really, really good mystery bag just because I already have the products. That doesn't take away from the fact that they're good products. So I think this was an amazing mystery bag, and I also really, really, really do like the bag a lot. I think that is so cute. So yeah, and that was the most recent limited edition $30 Ipsy mystery bag. Let me know if you picked it up. Let me know if you got it, if you got the same products as me. I've seen a couple other unbaggings, and there's definitely different variations because this is not what I saw in the other unbaggings or unboxings. So I think that's pretty cool that you could definitely end up with something different. So if you did get one, let me know what you got down below. I'm super curious to know. And that's going to be it for this one, guys. I will see you very, very soon in my next video. My next video I am planning to do is going to be my full face of June BoxyCharm products, because I got 2 base boxes, one in PR and one that I paid for. I got the Luxe box in PR, and then I got the premium box that I purchased. So I have a whole ton of June BoxyCharm products, and we're gonna sit down, try them all out together, and create a look and see how everything works. So I'm super excited for that. I'm hoping to be able to film that on Saturday. So definitely keep your eye open, and until then, I will see you soon. Bye.